today?
Let's have some Sri Lankan rice and curry today. So I'll 650 grams of chicken breast. Let's dice it into small pieces. You can get already diced chicken from the supermarket if you like. In the pan, with some garlic and tomato. The tomato helps to soften the chicken quicker. Chop the garlic into small pieces. A piece of fresh ginger. You don't need much, a small slice would do. Get the skin off. You can use any type of tomato, salad tomatoes, wine tomatoes. Let's peel the onion. Ideally white onion, but you can use red as well. Nice and large. This is coconut milk. You can get it from Asda or Aldi. If you go to the World Food in Asda, you can get all these ingredients. I like the thick creamy one. You can get a thinner one as well. Add it into the pan. Get some water. The onion, ginger and the tomato. This is turmeric. Oh, a bit too garlic. Some cloves. The chili powder. This is a cardamom. Cumin seeds. Some fennel seed. These curry leaves. I'm gonna add some Garam Masala. That's an Indian mix because I don't have Sri Lankan curry powder. I'll put the cooker hood on. I'm going to put a cinnamon stick here as well. A piece of it, just break it like that. Cook for 10 minutes and enjoy it with rice. This is Sri Lankan curry. It's a bit thinner version. You can make it thicker by cooking it a bit longer, simmer it for a bit. Yep, enjoy.